First we're going to make some garlic butter. And here I have roasted some garlic. And I did it in the air fryer because it was a lot quicker. About 20 minutes on 350. That one looks like it's burnt a little. So I'm just going to do a few and show you, and I'm going to go on ahead and take care of it. Can you see? Yeah, taking it a loose. See how soft they are? Get them on out of there. Trying to take these roots off. But you can really just squeeze it and it'll come out. See? It's just burnt. It's okay. A little burnt. A little bit. It's about 10 or 11 buds. I just squoze them out. And I have 2 sticks of butter. Get them in there. And of course you may not use all of this, but you can always use it for something else. Wrap it up and put it in the fridge. That's it. I'm going to mix this well. Nice and garlicky. Here's some more. Some soy sauce. I'm going to shake some in. Smells so good. Tastes good too. Taste it again. Do just a little bit more. So good. And here I have some lemon juice. That's about a tablespoon. Get that in there. Delicioso. I'm going to sit it in the fridge and let it chill. In my pan I have some clarified butter, but you can use oil. And I have some chicken breast that I've chopped up. This is just like 1 chicken breast. You want your pan up high. I'm going to add some salt, not much. I'm going to add some white pepper, just a little. I want it to brown up a little. You don't want to cook it too long though, because it'll get stuck. See how it's browning up nicely? A little bit more. See that? And that's about it. I'm going to take this out, set it to the side. Turn the pan down a little. Okay, and here I have chopped up some carrots. This is just a small carrot, and this is a small onion. I'm only using 1 cup of rice. So we still have oil in there. If you don't have any oil in there, or a clarified butter, whichever you choose to use, then just add more. I'm going to put so let this cook up. This will probably go, I'm going to let this go for about a couple minutes is all. They're ready. I'm going to set these to the side. I have 2 eggs. I'm going to scramble right quick, but the pan is pretty hot. Get back in there. And I have my white rice. That I've already made. I'm going to add some of that into here. And this is only a cup of rice, so I'm probably only going to use maybe a little more than half. Trying to break my eggs up pretty much. You want to try to have some in every bite. Sorry. And I'm going to add my veggies back into my pan, that is. Oh. Our delicious garlic butter. Ooh. I'm going to add a little more soy sauce just for color. Be careful. Smells delicious. Then add some more garlic butter. Not nearly as much as Benihana's would add, but enough. I'm going to taste it. There you have it. That's good. And some white pepper. Turn your eye down because you don't want to cook your rice till it's gummy. White pepper. And green onions. Turn it off. And I'm going to taste it one more time. And that's delicious. You can make it at home. Let me plate this up. Eat one of these here. You can see it. Put a little more around here. Alright, and there you have it. Thanks for watching, and remember to pray. Ooh-wee, ooh-wee. Need some crackers with those. You like yours with crackers? Yep. I love my fried rice with crackers. Remember to pray, then pray some more. Pray for her, pray for him, pray for you. Pray for them, pray for us. Don't stop praying. Pray. Comment, share with friends and family, subscribe and tap that bell if you haven't, and if you have, thank you so much. And until next time, stay safe, eat well, and stay blessed. Boop. Love you. Later. Show you one more time. Hope you decide to make you some. You won't regret it.